Is Fidelity a brokerage firm? Fidelity Investments, one of the largest financial services firms globally, is indeed a brokerage firm. As of 2024, Fidelity manages over $11.5 trillion in assets, serving more than 43 million clients. This scale makes it one of the most trusted and recognized names in the financial services industry. It operates as both a traditional brokerage firm and a financial advisor, offering a wide range of services for investors, from beginner-friendly platforms to more advanced trading tools like Active Trader Pro. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. A lesser-known fact is that Fidelity was one of the earliest firms to eliminate commissions on stock, ETF, and options trading, further expanding its appeal to retail investors. Additionally, it's intriguing to know that Fidelity is responsible for saving its clients over $1.9 billion through order execution price improvements. This cost efficiency, coupled with Fidelity's extensive range of services, has earned it top rankings year after year as one of the best overall brokerage platforms. Fidelity is best known for its comprehensive range of services, which include brokerage accounts, cash management, and even specialized accounts for businesses. Its investment offerings are diverse, ranging from stocks, ETFs, and bonds to mutual funds and options. However, one major drawback for traders is the absence of futures and Forex trading. This omission might push active day traders and those interested in niche markets to other platforms. One of Fidelity's most attractive advantages is the zero-commission trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, making it ideal for investors who are cost-conscious. Furthermore, its no-fee mutual funds add another level of accessibility for those looking to build a diversified portfolio. The platform's research tools and educational content are highly regarded, offering ample resources for both novice and seasoned investors. For those seeking personalized financial advice, Fidelity's wealth management services are robust, catering to both small investors and high-net-worth individuals with a variety of managed accounts. Despite these strengths, Fidelity does have some drawbacks. One notable disadvantage is its relatively high fees for purchasing non-Fidelity mutual funds. For instance, buying popular Vanguard funds incurs a $49.95 fee, which is a stark contrast to other brokers like First Trade that offer such transactions at no cost. This fee structure can be a disadvantage for investors focused heavily on third-party mutual funds. Fidelity's user interface has also received mixed reviews. While the firm continually updates its trading platforms, some users report that the website and mobile app feel outdated compared to more modern apps from competitors. Additionally, Fidelity's Active Trader Pro, while powerful, may not meet the needs of professional day traders. Its mobile app is often criticized for being insufficient for technical analysis and real-time data tracking, especially for traders who require advanced tools. A critical issue for active traders is the occasional system outages that have occurred in the past, particularly during periods of high market volatility. While Fidelity has worked to improve its infrastructure, these technical glitches have been frustrating for users who rely on consistent access to their accounts. Fidelity excels in customer service, offering multiple support channels, including phone, chat, and in-person assistance at its numerous branches. This high level of support, combined with SIPC insurance coverage of up to $500,000 for brokerage accounts, reassures investors of Fidelity's reliability and security. In conclusion, Fidelity is a well-rounded brokerage firm with an array of investment options suitable for both beginners and seasoned investors. Its strong points include cost-effective trading, excellent customer service, and rich educational resources. However, the platform's limited options in specialized investments like Forex and futures, high fees for certain mutual funds, and occasional technical issues could be a deterrent for more active traders or those with specific investment needs. Overall, Fidelity's reputation for trustworthiness and comprehensive service makes it one of the best brokerage firms for a wide range of investors.